In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file a dispute on PayPal. Dealing with an online transaction that didn't go as planned can be frustrating, whether it's an item you never received, something that arrived damaged or incorrect, or even an unauthorized charge. Fortunately, PayPal offers a clear process to help you address these concerns. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to effectively file a dispute and work towards a resolution using PayPal's Resolution Center. To begin, you'll first need to log into your PayPal account. Once you're on your main account summary page, look for the Help link. This is typically found at the top right corner of your screen, or sometimes within the footer section, depending on how your PayPal interface is currently displayed. The Help section is your primary gateway for accessing all customer support and resolution tools that PayPal provides. Clicking Help will take you to a dedicated page with various support resources, guiding you toward solutions for any transaction or account issue you might encounter. After you've clicked Help and landed on the support page, you'll see various options related to common queries and support topics. From here, you need to find and click on the Resolution Center. The Resolution Center is PayPal's central hub for managing all your transaction-related problems and disputes. Think of it as your personal dashboard for addressing any discrepancies. It's specifically designed to facilitate communication and help resolve issues between buyers and sellers. Within the Resolution Center, you can report new problems, respond to existing claims, and track the status of any disputes you've initiated or are involved in. Clicking this link brings you directly to your personal dispute management dashboard. Once inside the Resolution Center, you'll typically find an option to report a problem or something similar. You'll then be prompted to select the specific transaction you wish to dispute from a list of your recent payments. It is absolutely vital at this stage to carefully review and verify details such as the date, the amount, and the recipient to ensure you choose the correct transaction. Selecting the precise payment is crucial for a smooth and efficient resolution process, so always take a moment to confirm your choice before proceeding to the next step. After you've identified and selected the correct transaction from the list, you'll then see a prominent option to report a problem associated with that specific payment. This action formally initiates your dispute with PayPal. Clicking Report a Problem will prompt PayPal to ask you to provide more specific details about the issue. You'll typically be asked to choose a category that best describes your problem. For example, item not received, item significantly not as described, or unauthorized transaction. You'll then have the opportunity to provide a detailed explanation of what went wrong. Be as clear and concise as possible, including all relevant information that can help PayPal and the other party understand your situation. Once you submit this, PayPal will guide you through the next steps, which often involve initial communication with the seller to attempt a direct resolution. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully initiated the dispute process on PayPal. Remember to regularly check your Resolution Center for updates and be ready to provide any additional information PayPal or the seller might request.